please have our pledge of loyalty in unison.
We, the graduates of Lawaan Central School, school year 2024-2025, do hereby solemnly pledge that we should uphold the honor and dignity of our school. We pledge to practice good citizenship at all times and be ready and willing to do our share of responsibility expected of us by our parents, teachers, and fellow men. Under the guidance of our Almighty, we dedicate our strength, visions, and our lives for our country's needs and prosperity.